We're participating in a Young Women's Empowerment Summit, so it's a 3-day camp. Oceanside, North County, and Vista Fire Department with the Women's Commission here at the FCTC location.
We're going to go through each event so you understand how each event works. We're going to get you some tools in your hands so you can get used to some of what the tools feel like and what that vest feels like.
And what we're doing is putting them through different stations to actually show them the physical capabilities, using their body mechanics in order to be successful for the CPAT that we offer here.
Lift up, right? Rather like kind of doing one of these and lifting up this way.
Chief Fenice asked me to do it this year, and I'm glad she did. I'm a cadet with Vista Fire Department, so it's kind of just getting extra drills and training in for me, and it's been really fun to just, isolate these movements and learn different techniques on them to make it easier.
We don't have like the same upper body strength that like men have, so just like teaching us how to use our bodies in ways to our advantage has been really interesting, and they've all been super inspiring from like different departments, and yeah, I've really been enjoying it.
Yeah, you have good technique, but you're going to wear yourself out on that shoulder with 50 pounds on.
If you would like to do an actual CPAT practice, you're more than welcome to go through. We'll actually run you through as if it was a practice test. You have to complete the test in 10 minutes and 20 seconds.
Nervous, but nervous. We got it.
I wasn't aware that we were running the full CPAT, but I'm so thankful that we got to feel what that feels like, feel the burn.
Definitely a test of both my mental strength and my physical strength, but I really enjoy it. My experience has been great. I'm a wrestler, so I already surround myself with strong women.
I'm in my second year at Palomar to get my AA in fire tech. So I'm trying to just see what I'm getting myself into, and I think it's a great program to do that.
5 seconds.
So with the empowerment camp, I provide leadership opportunities for the women from previous empowerment camps or women within other organizations that I work with that are in different career pathways right now, and putting them in a leadership role allows them to build their confidence as well as that leader as they're working their way through their pathways. So I think it's a great opportunity for them.
The leaders, they're all great. They know what they're doing. They're confident in their skills. And it's just really super fun to be around a bunch of girls that want to get in the fire department like me.
See all of these very successful women here, all in one big space, and they're so willing to give advice and point you in the right direction. They're giving advice on which pathways you should take. So helpful.
It feels great to give back and to help out these younger people, because I got help when I was in their position, and it's just part of the job and just what makes it worthwhile.
Cal-JAC has a women's commission. This is their 20th year. It is made up of women in fire.
When I started this empowerment camp last year, that's when I really got introduced to the Women's Commission and Cal-JAC and working together with them. And we've already built such great relationships with it. So I appreciate all their hard work, all their dedication and commitment in order to make my program successful.
Know your strengths. Like I saw everyone had their strengths today and everyone had their weaknesses. Keep it up on the strength.
Having an organization such as Cal-JAC that's just not talking it, they're actually doing it, and they've been doing it for a very long time. And Cal-JAC has been absolutely intentional and consistent with wanting to be inclusive and onboarding women in the fire service.